In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets on monday.com. If you want to make your dashboard or overview more useful and visual, adding widgets is a great place to start. Widgets help you display information in a way that's easier to understand at a glance, whether you want to track progress, view data trends, or summarize activity from your boards. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process of adding a widget and connecting it to a board so it can start pulling in data. To begin, go to your monday.com overview or dashboard area where you want the widget to appear. Once you're there, look for the Add Widget option and click on it. This opens the widget gallery where you'll see different types of widgets you can use depending on the kind of information you want to display. Next, choose a widget type. In this example, click on Chart. A chart widget is useful when you want to turn your board data into a visual format, making it easier to spot patterns, compare numbers, or monitor performance. Even if your exact use case is different, the process for adding many widgets in monday.com is very similar, so this is a helpful example to follow. After selecting the chart widget, you'll need to connect it to a board so it has data to work with. Click on Connect Boards to get started. This step is important because widgets don't display meaningful information until they're linked to a source. Think of the board as the place where the widget pulls its data from. Now, choose a board from the list. Select the board that contains the data you want this widget to display. When choosing, it helps to think about the purpose of the widget. For example, if you want to visualize project progress, choose the project board that holds that information. Picking the correct board now can save you time later if you plan to customize the widget further. Once you've selected the board, click on Done. This confirms your selection and completes the initial setup of the widget. At this point, the widget should be added to your monday.com view and connected to the board you selected. That's the basic process for adding a widget on monday.com. From here, you can continue adjusting the widget settings if needed, depending on how you want the information displayed. But as far as getting the widget added and linked to your data, that's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.